Hi everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Shopping in Korea. Today we are gonna introduce INGA.
INGA, yeah.
This one is called Daily Makeup Beauty. And here, INGA Makeup Kit, EDDY'S pick. Yeah, that Eddie that we know.
Hello, it's me, Avila.
So let's begin. Get ready with us.
I will start with a base.
Cover fitting tattoo cushion, neutral beige color. Oh, I can see. It covers very well.
Fill in the natural shape of my brows. Next step that I take, actually the lip. The INGA Glow Coating Tint.
Yeah.
I just apply this on my cheeks too.
Oh, what? Oh, is that like juicy makeup? It looks like this, not straight. Is it done?
Yeah, done.
Wow, it's so fast. It's my turn. I'm gonna use this one. Easy drawing eyebrow pencil. Oh, and it's really easy to draw actually.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use this color because it's base color. And I'm gonna use this. Oh, it became different. Secret brush liner. I always use brush type of liner because it's easy to draw. Semi-matte lipstick. Color is someone like. Hey everyone!